If you talk about after sale services, DSG is always ahead from everybody. Always, it's feel like DSG employees is colleague to me now because I am the services handling person from Huawei side. And so for the NOC system, of course, it will improve massively for the service support, and of course, the future is for service. So if there is service support, then the customer is all yours. It's a clear thing. And with NOCs, we can control many things remotely. And after that, if you have some faults, you can mention here and pop up, and you can it will be ease the service after sale, and you can monitor your system, and the system you have already. Combining the system is main part now you have the cross the megawatts of plants, and now the thing is now you have to merge on a single platform to monitor everything on a single click. So this will help you out, and of course DSG is always ahead for taking new technologies in the market.